Hey everybody, welcome to my shop. My name is Randy Woods, and today's video is all about this epoxy inlaid cutting board. Well, this has been an absolutely wonderful project for a couple of different reasons. Number one, this is getting donated to a raffle. It's going to be used to raise money for our local veterans, and so that's something that I was really honored to get to be a part of. And also, I got to collaborate with one of my woodworking friends. He helped me with the CNC design. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video so you can see his involvement in that. That was a lot of fun. And I do want to extend my sincerest appreciation to all veterans, past, present, and future.
The main part of this board is made of ash. To see how I milled that material, check out my squaring up a board video. These shop-built cauls do a great job of keeping my glue up flat. The sides of the board are made of walnut, and I'm going to attach those using the Festool domino.
Well, this cutting board is shaping up nicely. Now I'm going to use a CNC machine to add an image on this. The only problem is I don't have a CNC machine and I don't even know how to use one, but that's okay because a good friend of mine has a shop here in town and I'm going to take a field trip over to his shop and we're going to take care of that over there.
Hey guys, I'm Ty Gregory. I'm with Woodworks RX. One of the things we like to build here in the shop is obviously any custom items. We do cutting boards, custom charcuterie boards. It's really anything involving woodworking, built-ins, whatnot. We do a little bit of that and we really take pride in doing a quality job on anything we do. I've got Randy in the shop today and we're going to be working on a cutting board inlay. We're going to be pouring some epoxy. We're going to be using the Shapeoko CNC machine. It's a really neat project, so I want to welcome y'all all here to the shop and stay tuned and hang out and watch what we do with this video.
That's it for today's video. I think this board turned out great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for all my future content. And also head on over to rkwoodworking.com to check out all my other woodworking related content. And if you're interested in Ty Gregory's work, be sure to check him out over at woodworksrx.com. I will leave a link in the description to that. And thanks for checking out this video and we'll see you next time.